What's good, everybody? I'm currently riding passenger. I scratched the wheels on my car, so I'm currently getting the wheels fixed. I'm pretty pissed about that, but we have some good update. The turbo kit is finally here. Shout out to Spool. I'll be running the Spool top mount kit. I'm with my brother right here. We about to pull up on the shop right real quick because the kit got delivered there, so we about to pull up and take a look at the kit. I'm gonna show you how the kit look. Hopefully my wheels get done fast so I can install the kit today. If not, I'm gonna have to get my stock wheels, bring them to the powder coating shop, Unico. That's who's doing my wheels. Shout out to Unico, my boys Kels and Triple OG. That's the powder coating shop, so shout out to them. I'm gonna leave their @ in the bio. I'm gonna show y'all some before and after of the wheel fixed and the damages, so y'all can see that too. But I scratched the wheels coming out of Burger King parking lot. I wasn't paying attention when I was going, and then I was reading the YouTube comments actually and scratched my wheels, so I'm pissed about that. But we about to go to the shop. I'm gonna just show y'all the turbo kit so y'all can see what I will be running. I'm gonna try my best to get it installed today. I think we might have a chance, but just stay tuned.
The vibration, that's not it. The thing is, what you're saying is kind of like two props. The vibration.
Okay.
And then you think that's all.
Simple.
Let me
See, that's the problem. So I'm not going to do
got it.
transfer it to the bottom line.
Simple, right? That vibration.
The simple problem is if you fix one, you got to fix the other.
Swear, the manifold feel like titanium. I swear to God. I swear to God.
If you can lift it, definitely go on no weight.
I can't believe it. That's the lightest manifold I ever
I'm
felt.
saying if you can lift it, that means it's very light.
You just wanted to be a hater on the camera.
I mean,
Never failed.
Dre has no weight, so if you can lift it.
Never failed. That's the lightest manifold I ever felt. He just ordered on his pool for camera. I can't look it up at all.
Come on, for.
What's your first impression?
They had to put one side game on it.
Yeah,
They should have put Goofy right here.
exclusive.
That would have been right.
Exclusive. Made in Texas.
That would have been right shit.
Made in Texas.
I mean, it worked.
Yeah, last time.
Packaging is 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie, they got a lot of peanuts in here. So everything is properly secured. So Spool, shout out to you guys for the package, proper packaging. I'm gonna show y'all guys a brief rundown on the kit once I have everything out. Alright, we have the kit all laid out. I'm gonna Swerve from M Powerhouse. I'm just gonna break down the kit a little bit of what we have. This right now is actually just my temporary turbo. Merc had a 6466 laying around. The next, yeah, because the next gens is out of stock, so I gotta wait. But for now, we're gonna run a 6466 Gen 2 just to get it going and have some fun with the car. But I'm gonna let Swerve go over everything.
Yeah, so basically it's a pretty simple setup here. Log style manifold, top mount, charge pipe.
Yo, Jay,
Catch
you said
can.
you wanted 7275.
We might. You got a 72.
You wanted 7275, my boy.
I might have to put a 72, 75 on. That's,
What do y'all think? Yeah,
Let me know.
leave it in the comments what you think you should use, 64 or a 72.
both of them are Gen 2s. They're not next gen.
Yeah.
So,
So
what should I use? The 72 or the 64? Let me know what I should use.
I mean, if you wanted a 6872,
Oh, you got more turbos.
you got 6870 if you want.
He was
Like,
lying.
You got,
What, that's a
look,
6870?
6870 right there, man.
this is the powerhouse for a reason.
Yeah. Everything in stock.
I mean, if you want, let me see what else you got, man.
You want to Garrett's out now.
You want a Garrett? We got Garrett Smith too, man. Like, we got Garrett, we got...
That was
Oh my God.
That was what.
Yo, let me know what y'all want me to use. 6466, 6870, 7275, or the Garrett.
Got an NPR over here too.
And we got NPR.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you sir. But back to what we were saying now.
So yeah, lock style manifold, top mount. You got a turbo option, obviously. Charge pipes, dump tube off of the wastegate, down pipe, couplers for the charge pipe setup.
I like these lines.
Yeah, these lines are very clean. You can put the PCV setup here and the catch can.
Braided, right?
Yeah, braided line here, and these are actually like I don't know what material this
The
is.
heat
but
wrap,
this
right?
is good. This is a good hose. Water loop.
Oh, these are custom fittings that say Spool.
Yeah, Spool made they CNC'd all this shit, so it's
I don't know
really-
if you
it's a really
peep,
clean setup.
but they pretty much put one stock branding on everything right here, as
One
you can
stock,
see.
yeah.
And it's made in Texas too, so shout out to Spool. I think we're running a wastegate right here, Turbo
Yeah,
Smart
the
wastegate.
wastegate runs in the bottom of the manifold, on the back end over here.
I'm glad it's an external wastegate, bro. I like that
Yeah,
sound. Screen
I think
reflect.
this is gonna be a pretty straightforward drop in and go kind of setup. This is very decent.
That's fine.
Good product.
Alright, so you guys have seen the turbo kit. You have seen pretty much the setup that I will be going with. That was just a short video to briefly explain to you guys the turbo kit, like what turbo I'm gonna be running, because a lot of you guys been commenting and asking me all types of questions about the turbo kit. So that video was just to give y'all a breakdown of the turbo kit. Make sure to stay tuned and turn your notifications on and to subscribe, because I'm about to drop the next video that I will be dropping will be the install of the turbo kit and the first drive and the sound clips, all the good stuff that y'all guys want to hear. So just make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like and comment also, and most of all, make sure you subscribe and share the videos, the channel on your Instagram, TikTok, wherever. Just keep supporting, man. Stay tuned.